Chelsea have signed, not me, Marco Palestra from Atalanta. We have the here we go from everyone's favorite journalist, Fabrizio. Deal agreed, 55 million euros, whatever that is in your monies. Player profile is sort of a flying wingback down that right-hand side. As you can see, they've actually got him listed as a right midfielder. So more of like a back five wingback, like further up the pitch and that. Right up Xavi's alley. Does make me sort of think that we're going to go for a more traditional left back, defensive minded, like to sort of slide into a back four when needed. And this guy's just going to be up and down that right-hand side, hopefully. He had a pretty decent season there, like 4 assists for like a pretty mid team. That's not bad as a wingback. This graph, it's shit, but that's because FotMob, they're comparing that to other right mids. As I said, he's more of like a wing back, so it's not really that fair. Although then you would think defensive contributions would be a little bit higher. Fuck it. If Xavi rates him, bring him in. Bring him in. Yeah, let me know. Are you also excited for Xavi's first signing? Or do you think he'll be loaned out to Torino in 2 seasons? Let me know.